गुरुर् ब्रह्मा गुरुर् विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वर गुरुर् साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। जय माँ, जय माँ, सबको जय माँ। आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू आर वेल। आज का प्रश्न, दिस पर्सन इज राखी महाजन 5384. That is her username. She writes, Mandir is so beautiful as Ma is there. She's talking about my mandir in my house. And it's a huge mandir जहाँ पे माँ है और कृष्णा माँ है, काली माँ. And I have put up this video on the channel, you know, showed my mandir to everyone. And it is a very beautiful mandir. बहुत सारे संत महात्मा आए हैं, मंदिर में दर्शन किए हैं. So the vibrations are obviously beautiful and Ma is obviously sitting there, so the vibrations are beautiful. So whoever comes there, they are like, oh my God, what is this, you know? कि माँ तो यही है. I said, हाँ, माँ यही है. So she's talking about that. Then she writes, Ma, you said like in 5 minutes break, you can do another sandhya. Then we have to light the diya again, or with that same diya we can do another sandhya. Jai Ma. See, when you do the sandhya, Ma has given you the liberty that, you know, you take a break and do it again. But otherwise, you know, authentic kya hai? That, you know, you have to do it at 4:45 in the morning till 4:15 is the Muhurat time. And the second time is 11:45 to 12:15, right? She has given you the liberty. Now, supposing you were doing it at 4 and 12, would you light the diya again or not? Obviously, you would. So, you have to consider that that is the paddhati. You have to do it that way. You've just been given a little bit of liberty by Ma, you know, कि मतलब ऐसा कर सकते हैं, पर इसका ये मतलब नहीं that you continue with the same thing. You can't. So, you know, once you finish the first sandhya, you will do the आरती also, ना. माँ की आरती करेंगे तो वो जो थाली है जिसमें आप दिया जलाते हैं, अगरबत्ती जलाते हैं, फिर उसमें आरती की थाली भी रखते हैं, and then you do the आरती. So obviously that दिया will, वो बुझाना पड़ता है, मतलब you don't blow it out, you let it go away. And supposing it's a huge दिया, you know, कभी कभी होता है कि लोगों के पास बहुत बड़े बड़े दिए होते हैं जिसमें घी डालते हैं. तो then you remove that थाली and put another one. And दूसरी बात मुझे याद आई, that when you do the diya, always make it घी दिया, not तेल. माँ को हमेशा घी का दिया चढ़ता है, तेल का नहीं. You know, so you put that thali aside, take another fresh thali, like keep 2 thalis. And वो जो थाली जिसमें आपने दिया जलाया है, वो अगर बुझा नहीं, बड़ा दिया है, अभी टाइम लगेगा, तो then you take another thali, take another diya, keep it ready, and when you do your second sandhya, generally क्या होता है ना कि लोग क्या करते हैं, that break time they go and have breakfast. You can, because your first sandhya is over, so you can have a break time and do your breakfast, whatever you're doing, and then you can come back, wash up again and come back. हाथ पैर धो के वापस आप आसन पे बैठ सकते हैं, and you can continue with your second sandhya. So obviously the whole procedure is all over again. Okay, so that is what your confusion was, and I have answered your confusion. And another point I want to say over here, that people say that we've already asked you a couple of questions and, you know, you haven't answered or whatever, you know. So I will answer everybody's questions. I do read, okay, and I answer immediately, and it is all in my bank. You know, I call it my bank, because सभी के जो questions आते हैं बारी बारी मैं सबके दे रही हूँ. But everything is in line, na? I mean, if you've asked me a question before somebody else, obviously I'll answer yours first and then somebody else's later. But सभी के सवाल के जवाब मिल जाएंगे. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं कुछ छोड़ दूंगी. कभी कभी ऐसा होता है that, you know, some questions people ask, but somehow I don't receive them. Agar if that becomes a problem, then I don't know, because sometimes I just don't get them. And then they write that we had asked you this question. And I'm saying, where was this question? And I'm checking and I can't find that question, तो कभी-कभी ऐसा होता है, हमेशा नहीं होता है. So I will answer everybody's question, but you just need to have some patience, So that's all for today, and I hope you continue with your संध्या. और अगर आप अखंड दिया जलाते हैं, जैसे कई लोग अखंड दिया भी जलाते हैं, तो that अखंड दिया can just go on. Obviously you can't blow that off. अखंड दिया तो रहेगा ही. If you do it. If you don't do it, it's fine. But संध्या में everything has to be done all over again. ठीक है? So that's all for today. जय माँ.